So hey guys, and welcome to today's session. In the previous session we have studied till free charge, and our today's session will start from the method of charging. So our first topic is method of charging. It is an important topic in the chapter electricity. So what is method of charging? Simply split the sentence and you can get the meaning. Method of charging means charging के methods. Okay, the method of charging is charging के method. इसके 3 टाइप्स होते हैं: रबिंग, इंडक्शन एंड कंडक्शन. मेथड ऑफ चार्जिंग आर ऑफ 3 टाइप्स: रबिंग, इंडक्शन एंड कंडक्शन. इन द मेथड ऑफ चार्जिंग आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज रबिंग. नाउ हाउ चार्ज इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय रबिंग? व्हेन वी रब अ बॉडी अगेंस्ट अनदर ऑब्जेक्ट, द बॉडी गेट्स चार्ज एंड दिस मेथड ऑफ चार्जिंग इज नोन एज रबिंग. इस मेथड का सिंपल मीनिंग ये है कि अगर कोई बॉडी है और उसको हम किसी और ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ रब कर रहे हैं तो बॉडी चार्ज हो जाएगी, और वो मेथड रबिंग मेथड होता है. जैसे कि ये चौक और ये डस्टर है, तो अगर हम इसे ऐसे रब करेंगे तो चौक में चार्ज आ जाएगा, चौक चार्ज हो जाएगा, और फिर वो जो मेथड है वो रबिंग कहलाएगा. नेक्स्ट अप in the method of charging we have induction. Now what induction means? It simply means when you brought a charged body near to a uncharged body, the charge of uncharged body gets polarized. And what is the meaning of polarized? It simply means the positive charge will go to one side, the positive charge will separate it to one side, and the negative charge will separate it to the another side, like this. It is full of positive charges. Okay, good. And now this is negative. Okay, and the after induction it looks like this: one side positive and another side negative. Okay, next up we have conduction. Now what is conduction? Conduction simply means that when you brought a charged body near to an uncharged body, the charge of uncharged body gets into the uncharged body and the uncharged body gets the charge. कंडक्शन सिंपली मीन्स कि अगर कोई चार्ज्ड बॉडी है जस्ट लाइक ये डस्टर, और कोई अनचार्ज बॉडी है जैसे कि चौक, तो अगर ये डस्टर यानी ये चार्ज बॉडी ये अनचार्ज बॉडी के पास में आएगी तो जो अनचार्ज बॉडी है वो चार्ज गेन कर लेगी. Now next up we have electric potential. Now electric potential can simply defined as the work done by a moving unit positive charge from the infinity to a point. Now after electric potential we have potential difference. Now potential difference can simply be defined as the work done by a moving unit positive charge from a point to another point. Now we have a formula to find the potential difference. The potential difference is equal to work done upon unit charge, or V is equal to W upon Q. Now after potential difference we have another topic, 1 volt. Okay, now what is 1 volt? The potential difference is said to be of 1 volt when 1 joule of work is done in moving a 1 coulomb of charge from a point to another point, and it is measured in voltmeter. Now guys, let's do some numericals related to the potential difference. Now in numericals our first question is 24 joule work is done in moving a charge of 6 coulombs between 2 points. Calculate the potential difference between 2 points. Okay, we have to calculate the potential difference between the 2 points. So the formula to calculate the potential difference is V is equal to W upon Q. Potential difference is equal to work done upon charge. So V we have to find out W we have 24, okay, and the charge we have 6. So the answer is 4 volts. Okay. Now in the end we have our last numerical, which is work done is bringing of 3 coulomb charge from infinity to A point is 12 joule. Okay, our first work done is of 12 joule and is bringing to the point B is 16 joule. So our second work done is of 16 joule. Calculate the potential difference between the 2 points A and B. Now we have 2 work done and a single charge. Now the formula for potential difference is equal to V2 minus V1. Now what is V? V is equal to work done upon Q. Okay. So here we have V1 is equal to, what is work done 1? 12 and upon 3. Okay. And V2 is equal to 16 upon 3. Okay. Now we have a single charge, so we will subtract it. So V2 16 and V1 12 upon 3. So what we get? 4/3. It's our final answer. So hey guys, and here is the end of our today's session, and in the next session we will start from electric circuit. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to get notified when I upload the next video.